Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Good morning. We're here at Sebring International Raceway. It is the first drift event of the year, at least here locally in my hometown. See, Vic is pretty excited. But yeah, we've got the car here. I've got decided getting pressurized up. We already did the driver's meeting. We already went through tech. Things have been moving quickly. But yeah, I think we're about to go get in line and get to drifting. So hopefully I've got GoPro footage. I brought the GoPro. I haven't set it up yet. I don't think I'm going to set it up before the first laps just because I kind of want to get out there and drive. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Hey guys, I went out and did my first lap a little while ago. Everybody went out and did a couple laps already. Vic's doing great. Dylan doing pretty good. My car did great. It was actually too icy out there for me, so I had to drop PSI. I went from 42 to 36 in the rear. For those of you that are curious, I'm on a 245/40 right now on an 18 by 8.5 all the way around. So yeah, we're waiting for my class to come up again in like 20 minutes and we're gonna get back on track. Very hot out here. Your boy is dying a little bit. But yeah, I just came back from the second lap. I did really good. That drop in tire pressure made a difference for sure. Yeah, the line is super long, so we're just here chilling. My mom is here and she has agreed to get a ride along, so she's trying to get her bracelet right now and a helmet, so that should be pretty cool. Also, I set up the GoPro. Hopefully that worked and you guys are getting to see that footage. But yeah, aside from the heat and the long line, this is turning out to be a great event. So yeah, see you guys on the next run. Came over here to the actual track. Dylan is going on track right now. We're in front of the U.S. Drift Circuit tent, and it's golf cart. I know there's a lot of word salad, but anywho, they're about to start the B class, so we came over to watch Dylan run. So get those clips now. guys. As you saw, it was a couple runs from Dylan. He ended up doing like 2 more that were actually really good, but unfortunately I wasn't able to record them. Vic and I came back to the pits, but yeah, Vic just tried to start his car and doesn't want to start, so he's taking a look at that. Once he's got that sorted, I'm gonna go out with him and we're gonna get some tandems. So yeah, hopefully you get to see those. Hey guys, I really hope I got the GoPro footage for that so you can see me taking my mom for her first ride along. That was really cool for me. It's something I've always wanted to do since I started drifting. I'm a big mama's boy, and that was really cool. So very, very lucky I was able to do that. But yeah, our heat, that stage is over, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, so I can't drive for another like hour and a half. So yeah, letting the car cool down, just hanging out here in the pits. The vibes are good. So I took a look at the GoPro footage. I definitely have it. As long as I can get it on my phone, you guys should have seen it. So yeah, you saw that was my tandem with Vic. I came back from that, my bumper was hanging off, my side skirt was hanging off, so at that point decided to call it quits for the session. And now I'm out here watching B-Class. I don't know if you can see him all the way over there, but Dylan is in line and he's running it right now. So yeah, here goes his ride. little bit, came back to the pits, and now it's time for A-Class to go again. So yeah, I'm actually going to be giving some ride-alongs and stuff, so hopefully you guys get to see the footage. But yeah, here we go. Hey guys, so I just got back from that run. If you may have heard a pop at the end of that run, well, let me show you what happened. I don't know if you would call this like delaminating, but pretty much all the tread just disapparated. I don't know, just instant transmissioned away and just left me with all the like cord. So yeah, I'm gonna switch these out for these. These are some new tires that Keys Cruisers recommended, Dennis from over there, and yeah, so let's throw these on, wait for our class to come around again, and go out for the last time of the day. right, guys. I mean, hopefully you saw all those runs. The day went amazing. I drove the car to the track. I came here. I shredded the tires I came with. I even started shredding the next ones, and now I'm driving it back home. You really couldn't ask for anything better. I got great tandem practice, great solo run practice. Just super stoked, man. A lot of compliments on the car, looking good. I'm very happy. So, thank you. But yeah, guys, as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.